Oh yeah, really? Do you like to sit up on the couch? Let's see what other toys we have. I see a doggy. Here's a doggy. That's right. That's what a doggy says. Good job. You're very good at that. That's right. A doggy says, "Urr, urr." And a doggy kiss you. "Urr, urr, urr, urr." Get really close. Get really close. Ah.